Photography. I'm going to discuss about the basic things that you need to know in photography. Photography came from the word photos and graphy, which mean light and drawing. Photography means drawing of light. Here are the basic terms in photography. I will discuss about the terms that you need to know that you're going to adjust when using a camera. First is aperture. There are different numbers in aperture known as the f number. Adjusting the aperture determines the depth of field. Increasing the aperture causes the image to be darker, while increasing it makes it lighter, and it affects the image when you took it. Next is the shutter speed. Shutter speed. It determines how long the shutter will be open. The longer it is open, the more light it records. The faster it is, the picture will be still. It's not advisable to use low shutter speed when it's very bright. It tends to record the light that is coming through. So if it's very light, the image will become blank white, plain white. And if also the image is moving, it will be blurred if you have a low shutter speed. High shutter speed, I mean 1/4000, so it's a very fast shutter speed, meaning if it's too dark, the image will be dark because no light will pass that much. High shutter speed will be used in moving pictures or in moving subjects. ISO speed. It sets light sensitivity relative to the subject. The lower it is, the darker it is. 100 or 200 are the ideal shutter speed used if we are outdoor. And lastly, exposure. It refers to a single shutter cycle. An image can be underexposed if it's too dark, and it's overexposed if it's too light. Exposure is affected by the aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Now, the basic equipments. First is the camera. This is the main device that we are using, and this is where we will attach the different tools. Next is the lenses. This is a zoom lens. It's ideal taking a subject that is far away from you. And this is a kit lens. A kit lens comes with the camera. You can use it in different shots, but it doesn't give you that much zoom that a zoom lens gives. This is the battery. Like a normal battery, it needs to be charged through a charger, which is here. The battery and the charger comes with the camera when you buy it. And this is a lens hood. It can be bought separately. Then And then there's a USB connector that can be used in order to transfer files from the camera to your computer. And this is an example of a tripod. There are bigger tripods that can be used to elevate. This one is simply used so the camera can stand still. Definitely there are bigger ones. That's it. This is Paulo. I'm Paulo Santiago. This is my midterm project, UM18 for Sir Canayo. Thank you for watching.